Hi, this is Laura. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, because some people asked in the Facebook group about how you would put pictures on the laptop screens. So I'm an Android user, and the way I do this is to use an app called Autodesk Sketchbook. So if I open that up, we've probably got a spread from my old my previous spread that I was working on, so we'll just save that and close down that chat for a minute. So I'm going to have a new page. I'm going to use that size. Already saved that. So here we are. Here's a blank page. So what we're going to do is add a picture from Pink Punch. If I can find the laptops mobile, here we go. Let's use yellow, and you find the transparent laptop overlay, which is this one here. And what we can do now is press done, and then you get your picture. Mine is saved to my gallery. I just downloaded a random picture of a game I like to play. So here we are. So you sort of pinch the screen to make it bigger, and then you put it in the middle of your screen, and then the tool, which is 1, 2, 3 along, with it's a sort of a warp square with some dots around the edge and a circle in the middle. You press that one, and this is easier to do if you've got a stylus of some kind, so I'm going to use mine. And basically what you do is you drag each of these corners so that they fit nicely within the laptop screen. So that warps that nicely for me. And then when you're done, you press done, and then what we do is we move this layer, you can see it here, this layer, and put it on top of your picture layer, and that's how you do it. It works the same with phones as well. So if I merge these two together, it then becomes one image, and I can then move it. But I can show you how to do it with picture frames as well, because I like to use the picture frames. So again, we go into Pink Punch. I'm pretty sure one of these has got a picture frame. It does, this one. So we do the same again, pinch the screen to make it bigger and press done, and then add your photo from your gallery or wherever your photos are saved. And I'm going to use, I downloaded a couple of sticker kits. Let's try and find a picture that I took yesterday or something like that. Actually, what we can do is we can go to my photos. This is probably easier actually. So here we go, this photo here, I'm going to put that in the photo frame. So it's the same thing again, we just move it to the middle there, and then we use the warping tool to take it up to the corners, and then we put it inside the frame just like that, which is done. And then what you do is you move the layer underneath that's got the photo frame on, you move it above the photo, so now it looks like the photo's in the frame. So that's basically it. I hope that helped. And yeah, I'll if you need any more help, just give me a message and I'll try and help you. Okay then.